All right, here's the old thermostat. It is out. So here's a SPD thermostat, 170 degrees. And here's a brand new seal we're gonna put on it. Just make sure you have something to catch the coolant and some kind of tray, because it is a messy job. All right, we got the O-ring installed. Fun fact on how to put these on. Some have a little clocking feature. And it's easier to tell. The way you tell on this one, you see that little, looks like a little port, a little opening. That's a little bleed, so you want that to be facing up, 12 o'clock position. Trying to get a view so you guys can see. It's currently installed, but we're gonna put the housing back on. So all it is just straight 8mm bolts. There you go. SPD's installed. Like I said, the housing is gonna get reattached. We just slid down right now. We're gonna slide it back up. To make your life a little easier, get 10mm bolts. Remove this. Another one over here. Then you can move this out of the way, and then you get a more clear shot. Alright, so I refilled the coolant. Say we're at the max level. You can pinch the hoses, lift the cap off, and it's been running for over 20 minutes. Just trying to make sure there's no bubbles in the system. Also, you want to turn on the heater on max. Set it on max and then turn it off. And then we'll turn the blower off. So essentially the heater mode is still on, but the blower is off. And that will make the coolant run through in. And if you need to refill it, then the level will go down.